Hi friends, welcome to SSCG Electrical. In the today's video, I am going to explain about SSCG 2020 exam basic doubts, SSCG sectional weightage and syllabus, and the last year question paper. And if you are first time watching our video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. See here, before watching complete video, click on like button and start watching complete video. See here, for which post is SSCG exam is conducted. So SSCG exam is conducted for junior engineering post. See here, for junior engineering post this exam is conducted. How many stages does SSCG exam contain? It contains 2 stages. In the first stage, that is paper 1, and second stage is paper 2. Paper 1 contains 200 questions, 120 minutes time will be given, 200 marks, and the negative marking is 0.25. And paper 2 is conventional type. How many times is SSCG held in a year? So it will be conducted every year. So once a year it will be conducted. And which mode is SSCG exam conducted? So SSCG paper 1 is online mode and paper 2 is offline mode. And what is the minimum educational qualification required to apply for SSCG exam? So diploma or degree, that is diploma or BTech is needed for applying for this exam. And the branches are civil, electrical, mechanical branch people are eligible for this. And is there any negative marking in SSCG exam? Yes, there is a negative marking of 0.25 marks. For 4 wrong answers, 1 mark will be deducted from the correct answers. When will SSCG 2000 notification, SSCG notification 2020 to 21 will be released? It will be released in the first week of October, okay? It will be released in the first week of October. And regarding sectional weightage allotment and the syllabus PDF and last day question paper will be discussed. See here. So SSCG syllabus. So sectional weightage written here. Basic concept, circuit law and magnetic circuit, AC fundamentals. All these 4 topics comes under electrical circuits. So these 4 topics comes under electrical circuits. These are the subtopics from electrical circuits, that is the total weightage for this electrical circuits is 27 to 33 marks weightage is there. 27 to 33 marks weightage is there regarding electrical circuits, that is basic concepts, electric circuit laws, magnetic circuit, AC fundamentals. Very simple questions will be given based on basic concept, that is concepts of resistance, inductance, capacitance. Based on the properties of resistance, inductance, capacitance, and very simple circuits will be given regarding this, and concept of current, voltage, power for current calculations, voltage calculation, power calculations. So based on simple formulas questions will be asked, and circuit laws 2 to 3 marks weightage is there regarding KCL and KVL and theorems questions will be given, and magnetic circuits. In the magnetic circuit, concept of flux, MMF, reluctance, different kind of magnetic material concepts, and magnetic calculations for conductors or different configurations will be covered, okay? And self and mutual induction concepts also covered. And AC fundamentals 7 to 8 marks weightage is there. Instantaneous, peak, RMS, average value, alternating values, and representation of sinusoidal waveform, simple series parallel AC circuit regarding tank circuit, polyphase, star, delta. So all these concepts, based on these concepts questions will be given, okay? So overall for regarding electrical circuits 27 to 33 marks weightage is there. Very important subject regarding SSCG exam. And next subject is measurement and measuring instruments. 10 to 15 marks weightage is there. And most important here is measurement of power, very important topic. And in this 2 wattmeter method is very important. And based on the formulas in the 2 wattmeter method, power factor and regarding 2 wattmeter method formula very important. So If the connections are reversed, what happens? So questions will be asked based on this. Power factor will be asked mostly, and wattmeter readings also will be given. When the wattmeter readings given, what is the power factor, he will be asked. And measurement of frequency, phase angle, and ammeter, voltmeter. So based on ammeter, voltmeter, formulas are very important regarding this extinction range. Ammeter, voltmeter regarding extinction range, formulas are very important. And for MC and MI, problems will be given. Okay, for moving iron and moving coil type, problems will be given. And regarding AC bridges and use of CRO, signal generator, CTPT, and their uses, earth fault detection concepts, questions also will be given. AC bridges are very important. Regarding this also questions will be given. And scaling bridge is very important. Electrical machines, 16 to 21 marks weightage is there regarding electrical machines. And DC machine construction, basic principle of DC motors, generators, the characteristic, speed control, and starting of DC motors and brakings. And transformers, regarding transformers very important, single phase, three phase transformers, fractional kilowatt motors, that is single phase motors, single phase induction motor characteristics. So all these topics comes under electrical machines, and the weightage is 16 to 21 marks weightage is there. And for electrical machine, not only for SSCG exam, for all competitive exams regarding electrical, many number of questions will be given regarding electrical machines. And synchronous machines is part of electrical machines only, but as there is a weightage, more weightage separately given here. 4 to 6 marks weightage is there. Generation of 3-phase EMF armature reaction, voltage regulation based on the curve, questions will be asked. Parallel operation of two alternators. Regarding parallel operation of two alternators, if one alternator is over excited, so based on that questions will be asked. Under excited, over excited, based on that questions will be asked. If it is over excited, what is the power factor, what is the state of power factor, increasing or decreasing, like that questions will be asked. And synchronizing control of active and reactive power, starting applications of synchronous motors. So these are the topics comes under synchronous machines. And next, generation, transmission, distribution, it comes under power system, and there is a weightage of 12 to 15 marks weightage is there. Different types of power stations, so nuclear power station, thermal power station, hydel power station. So based on the applications of the power stations, questions will be given. And load factor, diversity factor, demand factor, the formulas are very important. Based on the formulas, problems will be given. Load factor formula, average load by maximum demand, diversity factor, like that, demand factor. So formulas are important. Cost of generation, interconnection of power stations, power factor improvement, very important. And various types of tariffs, types of faults. Based on types of faults, triple L fault, LG fault, which is more severe, which fault is more severe. So important these are. And protection against earth leakage, Buckler's relay, Medj price. So these are the topics comes under generation, transmission, distribution. And regarding generation, transmission, distribution, JB Gupta, some objective book will be there regarding JB Gupta. For all competitive exams it is important, and for SSCG also important. Most of the questions are repetitive in nature. You can follow JB Gupta or any other book for SSCG. Okay. Next, estimation and costing, 6 to 8 marks weightage is there. 6 to 8 marks weightage is there. Estimation of lighting scheme, electrical installation of machines, and relevant IE rules, earthing practices and IE rules. And regarding this, some standard object bits will be given, and those bits also you can find in JB Gupta objective book, and that link also I will give in the description, you can go through it. And utilization of electrical energy, 5 to 7 marks weightage is there. Illumination, electrical heating. Regarding illumination, I made a video, and 1 or 2-3 videos I made regarding that. All important points will be covered regarding illumination, electrical heating, electrical welding, electroplating, electrical drives and motors. Some of the topics I have discussed in the previous video, and weightage is there for 5 to 7 marks, important topics, especially illumination. Okay. And basic electronics, 7 to 10 marks weightage is there. In this, working of various electronic devices, that is PN junction diode, transistor, that is NPN and PNP type transistors, BJT and JFET. Applications of these devices are very important, and in which application we use BJT, JFET, PN junction diode will be asked, and basic characteristics of PN junction diode also important. Applications of BJT, JFET, what is the difference in these two will be asked, and simple circuits. So mostly all 3 questions will be given. In some of the cases, problems will be given based on a very simple circuit on this basic electronics. So this is the SSC JEE syllabus, sectional weightage I have discussed, and this PDF also I will give in the description, you can go through it. And apart from this, and I am also discussing the last day question paper. So directly this link I will give in the description, you can go through it. There is a 200 questions will be given, 120 minutes time limit, 200 questions, 120 minutes and 200 marks. So total 100 technical and 100 non-technical. In the 100 non-technical, 50 marks is reasoning and 50 marks is general awareness. So very easy questions will be given, you need not worry much, and you need to more focus on technical section. And general awareness also important. Reasoning is very easy questions will be given, and you need to more focus on the technical. Okay. And car tire, you see analogy given, tire is a part of a car. So in these options, which one is suitable? Room is part of a house. And next, triangle, figure, car, analogous to which one? Triangle is a figure, car is what? It is a vehicle. So in the same way, hour is minutes, kilometer, parts are meters. Like this, some easy questions will be given, you can easily understand and you can easily answer. And reasoning 50 marks will be given, and 50 marks general awareness will be given. And you can go through the total question paper, what are the type of questions they are giving, you can go through the total question paper. And this question paper direct PDF link I will give in the description, you can go through it. Okay. So what kind of questions they are giving, you can check it. Okay. So all technical, non-technical given, so you can go through it. Okay. So SSC JEE syllabus PDF also giving, and the last day question paper also I am giving in the description, you can go through it. Okay. So please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos. Okay. Thank you.